You always know it's going to be a good day when you get a package from Vinegar Syndrome in the mail. Let's see what we have here. First we have Miami Connection 4K Blu-ray. My second time buying this. Next up is the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2 4K Blu-ray. This is the first time I've ever owned this one. And last but certainly not least is the amazing Amityville Horror original version with James Brolin and Margot Kidder. Vinegar Syndrome really does a great job with their releases, and I'm very happy to have these.